1 year after its creation, the first General Assembly of the ISPC took place at the 2020 World Summit and had for theme the realization of an ideal world of peace centered on coexistent mutual prosperity and universal values. It brought together nearly 7,000 high-ranking personalities from 171 countries, including 120 former and current heads of state and government. The former Secretary General of the United Nations, Mr. Ban Ki-moon, delivered the welcoming address. Several heads of state and government then highlighted the vision of the ISPC through speeches.
I'd like to thank and extend my special gratitude to Dr. Hak Ja-han for hosting this summit and commend her long-standing commitment to peace and reconciliation.
Por eso me permito felicitar a los fundadores de la UPF, porque están haciendo lo que otros solo hablan.
The Mother of Peace encouraged participants to place God at the center of everything and called for the realization of peace in the world.
우리는 하늘 부모님 앞에 참 효자, 효녀, 충신이 되는 길을 가야 할 것입니다.
In addition, First Ladies from several countries came together with the same heart and determination as their husbands. Thanks to the IAFLP, in December 2019, the Republic of Palau successfully organized the Asia-Pacific First Ladies Summit, which brought together 80 women leaders, including 20 First Ladies. These ladies launched the International Association of First Ladies for Peace in order to solve, with a mother's heart, the fundamental problems of the world and thus spread the women's peace movement.
We must look into ourselves, draw upon that value, and work together as women traditionally would to create solutions to challenge the threat that our families are facing in our homes and our nations. Let's take this opportunity to build strong relationship and partnership for our future and for the future of our children.
The Mother of Peace is determined to achieve a world of harmony and peace with a motherly love. Yes. Accompanied by the Association of First Ladies, they will broaden the horizon of a world of peace through close collaboration with the ISCP.